Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close HDFC salary account. So salary account specific requirements are employer invoice letter, final salary slip, proof of employment termination, HR contact verification. HDFC may call your HR. Close your HDFC salary account through online mode. You need net banking or mobile application. HDFC mobile app process. Log in to your HDFC mobile banking app. Under services section you can find convert or close salary account. So you can convert your salary account to your savings bank account, or directly you can close salary account. So by directly closing your salary account you may face some charges. Upload invoice letter plus resignation acceptance mail. So after uploading it will ask for OTP verification, and after verifying you will get a tracking number for closing your HDFC salary account. You can track the status with that reference number. Branch visit. This is mandatory for some cases. Documents checklist. You need these documents: original Aadhaar, PAN card plus 2 photos, employer invoice plus final settlement letter, duly filled form 13, charges 0 if converted to regular account first, or if you want to directly close your salary account you may face, or you need to pay account closing charges of up to 500 or more. Convert to regular savings account. Benefits: avoid 500 rupees closing fees. Process submit request via net banking. Requirements: maintain minimum balance. So branch visit required documents: original Aadhaar plus original PAN card, passbook and unused checkbook originals, duly filled closing form. You can download this form from the official HDFC bank. Charges: if required, close within 6 months of opening of salary account. Balance transfer, or if you have any balance in your HDFC salary account, you should transfer that balance to any other account using UPI, IMPS or NEFT. ATM withdrawal up to daily limits. Submit all to any HDFC bank manager. He will verify your documents and application along with all details and reason. He will start the process within 3 to 15 days. Your account will be closed. Your HDFC salary account will be closed. So these are the online mode and offline mode and applicable charges to close HDFC savings bank, HDFC salary account. Thank you for watching my video, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share to others. Thank you.